The brain is the most complex organ in the human body. It produces our every thought, action, memory, and even experience of the world. And it contains 100 billion nerve cells called neurons. But what if I tell you, as complex and complicated the brain may sound, scientists have discovered a way to control it using merely lights? Yes, you heard that right. My name is Asmae, and in this video I'll introduce you to optogenetics, controlling the brain using light. To understand this technique more, let's dive into my whiteboard, shall we? Developed in the early 2000s, optogenetics, the combined use of optical light and genetic methods to control genes and neurons, is among the most rapidly advancing technologies in neuroscience and has the potential to change how scientists study your brain. Before we go in depth about how this technology works, let's understand first how our brain communicates actions. Neurons, which are nerve cells, use electricity to send signals. All along both sides of the cell membrane are electrically charged ions, which create an electrical gradient. To send a signal called action potential, ion channels have to open to allow ions to flow across the plasma membrane, shifting the balance of the electrical charge. So technically, if we're able to control action potential, we'll be able to control the brain. In 2003, some scientists discovered a protein called Channelrhodopsin 2, aka CHR2, produced by an algae. It was the first photosensitive protein used to control the activity between neurons. Its channel allows Na plus and Ca2 plus ions in response to blue light. However, to get this protein into living animal cells was undoubtedly a tricky business. To do it, researchers had to develop a special virus that can transfer the protein on the surface of an animal cell. Using optogenetics, neuroscientists have been able to do plenty of stuff, like reactivating memories with light. The memories that appear to be lost can be recalled by activating brain cells using optogenetics. It also helped to turn on happy memories and reverse depression. Scientists have cured the symptoms of depression in mice by using optogenetics to activate neurons associated with positive memories artificially. And it went to the extent of curing humans' blindness. That's how much powerful optogenetics can get. It can perform a variety of things. So we should be careful and keep this fantastic technology away from the hands of the evil.